Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a reading for you for the last 15 days of August. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. Let's see what we have for the Capricorns. The star, the moon. Wow, beautiful start with the Four of Wands. Then, okay, the Nine of Wands, the Seven of Swords, the Ace of Wands, the Empress, the Fool, and the Ten of Cups. Okay, good. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for Capricorns. Okay, we have the Eight of Diamonds, guidance from the angels, Two of Action, yeah. So Capricorns, you have something which is, there is a situation in your life which gives you immense joy, and it's sort of a wish come true, and this person or this situation is like your dream come true, and as if everything has been fulfilled. Okay, it's like something, it's like a star which you at some point in time you wished that this wish should be fulfilled, as like the wish on the star. It's something like this, the situation is like this in your life, and followed by the moon card. What I feel here is that the things, though some wishes have been fulfilled, there is a situation which is giving you a lot of wish fulfillment, but still the path ahead is unclear. You really don't know what lies ahead, what is going to happen. Okay, the guidance here is just follow your instincts. And here is the Four of Wands following it, which is talking about stability, solid foundations, happiness, commitment, maybe even a marriage, or at least a solid, stable foundation. It can be a relationship. But what I am getting here is, are you dreaming about something like that? With all the star and the moon, or that is your energy perhaps in the dreamland, sort of. Maybe the wishes are, as your wishes have been fulfilled, and you feel so happy about it, perhaps, that you are in a dreamland. Star and the moon, both this representing the sky, that's why I said that. So maybe you're so happy that you are feeling as if you are in the on cloud 9, or you're in the sky. That's what, anyway, that is a happy energy basically. So but the path ahead of you is a little uncertain. You really don't know how things will unfold, how things will happen. Okay, and but whatever it is giving you a lot of happiness. So it is giving you a lot of happiness. Okay, happiness and stability is there, but there is certain situation over here with the Nine of Wands and the Seven of Swords. You've been waiting for something. Yeah, that is why I said it is in the dreamland. Yeah, now I got it. So what I am getting here now is that this is a situation, it's a dreamy situation. You have a wish in your mind which is perhaps related to a solid foundation which you want to have, but still the path is unclear, and you've been waiting for this dream to come true actually since a long, long time. That's what I feel. Whatever this is, you've been waiting for it from a pretty long time. So you have something at hand, but to make it happen or to execute it, okay, it's been a long time that things are just not happening. You are not able to implement it or execute it. If it is, suppose you have an idea but you're not able to execute it, if you have a person, you're not able to marry that person, it's something like that. So you have a project or a person or a relationship, whatever it is for you, which you know is right for you. You know it is your dream come true. You know it is all your wishes are fulfilled here, but the path ahead, and it is going to give you a lot stable foundation also. So you know that, okay, and you are very firm on that, but you really don't know how to. The path ahead is unclear. It's been a long time. You're not able to execute it over here. Okay, that is what it's taking time for execution of whatever this thing is in your life. So it is there. It's not that you're just dreaming. You know it's there actually, but implementation is a problem because of some reason, and that reason here is what I feel is the Seven of Swords. So if it is a person or a relationship, then maybe this person is not committing. Maybe this person is immature, playful, whatever, or non-committal in their behavior. So maybe that is the reason that it's been a long time that you are just not able to materialize whatever your dream thing is. Okay, and if it is not a relationship, if it is something else, then maybe because you're not able to make those dreams come true because of a sneaky behavior of somebody here in your life. So there's somebody here is being sneaky, sort of deceptive, trying to hide facts. It's something like that. So something is going on behind your back. So obviously if some person is not committing, that person also has a reason which you don't know. Okay, so whatever it is, the things are going on behind your back, and that is why you are not able to, that is why it's taking so long for these things to happen. Okay, but the thing here is you don't have to worry, because with it's followed by the Ace of Wands, the Empress, and the Fool, followed by the Ten of Cups. So with the Ace of Wands, definitely there is a new beginning over here. So perhaps this person will end this behavior of theirs, and you have a fresh new beginning with this person. I see this person, or whatever these plans are which your dream is. So these plans are taking a lot of time because of some immature behavior of somebody, and that is why you're not able to fulfill those dreams of yours or execute them. But here with the Ace of Wands, you have a fresh new beginning over here, and again with the Empress and the Fool, all these are talking about those fresh beginnings which which will bring you a lot of abundance, lot of happiness. Okay, and you will just take that leap of faith. You will bring a new zeal of life. You begin things with a new zeal of life, and with the Ten of Cups. So ultimately, that if that it's a relationship, then it is definitely culminating in a marriage, or at least a commitment over here for a happy married life, sort of a vibe which is there. So it is definitely abundance, and it is definitely a new beginning over here. So what I feel is it is a transition for whatever the reason is that this person is perhaps not committing, or things are just not falling the way they should be falling, and you've been waiting for it. So what I am getting here is that this long waited period is about to get over. Your plans are about to be executed. If it's a marriage or a commitment, it's about to come in. If it is a career or a project, whatever it is, if it's just not happening, your dreams will be fulfilled. The whatever the wait is, that wait is about to get over. Okay, and here with the Eight of Diamonds, what I feel, it is a comfort which you are going to achieve after you. This is a comfort when we achieve after a lot of hard work. So that will be your energy, the comfort and the solace which you will achieve after a lot of hard work. That is what is coming over here. The Two of Action. Trust in your ability to make excellent choices. There's an opportunity all around you if you just continue to move forward. It may be the time to take a new partner who can help you be a success in your career or creative endeavors. Keep your eyes on the big picture rather than the details of the moment, so that your big picture is going to be fulfilled. That big picture which you have in your mind of this Four of Wands, okay, this stability, this happiness, not necessarily a marriage or a relationship only, but whatever it is just pointing to the stability which a situation is going to offer. Okay, so dreams are being fulfilled and that waiting period will be over soon. But the thing here is that you should know that this wait was, if you're still in the waiting period, then you need to know that it is because of a immature or a playful or a sneaky behavior of somebody. And if you are able to tackle that, things will materialize, things will happen. Okay, Capricorn, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please like, subscribe and share to my channel. Okay, thank you.